Ayan, palabas na kami niyan. Sobrang lakas ng ulan, parang may bagyong parating. So, ayan, dami na stranded. So, nag-antay lang kami dyan ng mga more than 30 minutes bago kami nakasakay ng Grab. And then, papunta kami niya ng Sea Residence dito sa may Pasay, sa MOA.
Just wait,
something, ayan, nandyan na kami sa loob ng aming unit. At eto yung unit ng second day stay namin dito sa Manila. Dito po yan sa Sea Residence, malapit sa MOA. So, dito yung kwarto ni na Charmaine, ayan. Dalawa yung ano niya, dalawa yung bed, single beds. Tapos may mga extra din na mga unan at saka, and this is also 6 packs. Mas malaki ng konti doon sa nakuha naming unit doon sa Azore. So, ito yung is mas maganda din yung perfect yung view. Ayan, ito yung view namin. Malapit din to sa MOA. So, tignan mo naman ako. At tingnan mo naman kung gaano kaganda yung view. Ayan, ang lapit lang namin. O, diba? Ang perfect ng view na nakuha natin. At pagbaba mo ng unit, ayan, meron dyang uncles dyan, para siyang 7-Eleven. So, napakalapit lang din. Napakalapit ng bilihan na isa dyan. Alam mo na kung anong kanyang bibilhin. Pansit Canton. Maria Clara. Maria Clara. Tom Yum. Spicy. Here's the coffee. Want me to get some coffee?
Huh?
Coffee?
You want coffee from there? Oh, you want coffee here?
Here? Oh, there is kettle na.
Kettle na.
34. I want this. No. Uy. 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 Got two for Denzel and I. How about you?
Yeah, I want the seed.
Oh, gold Why gold?
Oh, it's nice.
Oh, okay. Get some more. Yeah.
You want coffee for tomorrow? What about it? You want coffee for tomorrow?
You just come and buy. No need to get packet.
You want sugar?
No need. You want sugar?
This one got no sugar. This is just nice coffee.
Yeah.
It's one section.
No need. You must try that. This one's bolalo.
Which one is nicer?
Yeah, this one.
Yeah, I love that.
Bolalo. Yeah.
Try that. This is what we're going to eat in Tagaytay.
Yeah,
But
correct.
that is the real beef itself.
I want to try something that is Filipino made.
Yeah, that's the one. Kenapa?
Where?
Yeah, I like this place better than the other.
Yeah, not crowded.
Not only crowded, but you.
Yan, ang best buddy, oh. Christopher and Beer. I mean, Red Horse against the world. Oh. Ganyan yung kanyang peg. At syempre, nag-moment din ang mudra nyo. Oh, patatalo pa tayo dyan. Nasaan ka dyan? Pa! Ganyan, dapat. Oh. Ganun. Can you please clarify your English, huh? Because I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm crazy. Yeah. Oh, there you. What now? At syempre, andito na kami niyan at kailangan ng uminom ng energy drink ng isang tao dyan. So, ayan. Then after dyan, dumiretso na kami dito sa Hard Rock Cafe, Manila. Malapit lang din to sa may area. So, dumiretso na kami dyan. At ayun nga, hindi masyadong crowded niyan. Kaya may nakuha kaming magandang location ng upuan, malapit sa stage. Kaya kita-kita namin yung performer. Ayan. Past 11 na ng gabi, kaya umuwi na kami kasi gutom na ito isang to. Kaya doon may nakita kami itong Popeyes, malapit doon sa MOA. So, nag-take out na lang kami at doon na lang kami kakain sa YouTube. Ayan ang mood na pagkagutom, kaya kain na po. At tingnan mo naman kung gaano kaganda ang aking tanawin habang nagkakape. Oh, diba? Ang nice! So, good morning po! So, bumaba muna kami dyan sa Uncle's dyan para bumili ng aming breakfast, which is ang Pansit Canton. Oh, ayan, Pansit Canton. Ang kanilang matitikman. Canton, ni Kuya Dens. Then, after namin na to, prepare na kami para makapag-check out. And then, diretso na kami ng Tres Martires. Then, from Tres Martires to Tagaytay. Ayun, mag-stay na kami doon for 2 days. So, ayan, tapos na, kain na.
So, yan. So, okay, let's go.
At check-out time, ayan, dinala na namin yung mga basura namin dyan sa unit. At dito na kami nag-antay ng Grab. Okay, ate. Somebody's excited for the Jollibee.
You get the age list 4 billion.
What Jollibee?
The age of the origin. The 4 billion 15 years.
Ah, okay.
That's the guy.